I'm going to show you how to wrap your lunch with the Bento Tsutsumi method. I'm using the White Tulip print from our garden collection.
Lay a furoshiki with a printed side down and turn it diagonally. Place your lunch box in the center. Take the corner close to you and the opposite corner and make a bow. Bring the two remaining corners, twisting each to make it tightly wrapped. Make a double knot, leaving enough space for a handle. Very simple, isn't it?